First at 9, a civil lawsuit has been filed in connection to the sober living crisis and massive Medicaid fraud in Arizona.
And this comes after Access was defrauded for an estimated $2 billion, all thanks to a scheme preying on vulnerable people in need of substance abuse treatment. The state was billed for treatment that people never received.
Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum reports on newly filed complaints tonight.
Brewerwood law firm filed complaints against Access and Arizona's Department of Health Services on Thursday, claiming both agencies are culpable and legally at fault for the deaths of Carson Leslie and Fernando Largo. Managing partner John Brewer says Access lacked oversight of billing by behavioral health providers and that AZDHS awarded licenses to providers without requiring proof of liability insurance.
We believe that it would have weeded out a lot, more than 90% of these bad actors.
For over a year, we've reported on Access fraud and how vulnerable people with addictions were preyed on by bad actors, opening pop-up sober living homes to house them for a profit.
It doesn't take a whole lot to figure out that when you have that kind of massive overbilling and fraud going, that crimes, deaths, rapes, all these things follow when there's that amount of money, fraudulent money at stake.
The Mesa police report we obtained last year says 32-year-old Fernando Largo was found dead inside a motel room after an overdose. Documents say the room was rented by a behavioral health provider. The medical examiner determined Largo died due to combined effects of fentanyl, methamphetamine, and alcohol. Largo was from Gallup, New Mexico, recruited to get help in Arizona, but went missing. His mother reached out to Jerry Long.
I remember when she first called me to look for him, and we were looking for him, and then she sent me a text message and said, "We found our son. Unfortunately, he's not alive."
Long and Reva Stewart are part of an organization called Stolen People, Stolen Benefits. With Access suspending payments to 300 behavioral health providers over allegations of Medicaid fraud, Long and Stewart routinely help those that are now left on the streets due to shut down sober living homes. They say the state needs to do more outside of the crackdown.
I also think that they need to realize and be held accountable and show their compassion about the humanitarian part of this, because there's none.
Brewerwood also filed a suit on behalf of 44-year-old Carson Leslie, who was transported from Flagstaff to a group home in Phoenix. Before he even got out of the car, he died of chronic alcohol abuse, per the medical examiner. His toxicology report revealed his blood alcohol content was nearly 7 times the legal limit. Advocates say these lawsuits against the state are steps in the right direction for change.
Nobody's looking out for the Native Americans. Nobody's looking out for those people. All we hear about is fraud, 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 and all that. How do we get our money back, or how's the state shutting down these people? Well, what's going to happen to the true victims?
The parents of the deceased or the family members are all on the reservation in rural lands. They don't know what is going on over here, so they don't have a voice. We want them to say their names because they matter.
I'm told by Brewerwood law firm that more cases are coming forward. We did reach out to Access and DHS for comment. Spokespersons for both agencies say they cannot comment on pending litigation. I'm Justin Lum for Fox 10 Investigates.